Hi, myself Dr.G.Tharanitharan. This is the 7th video series of additive manufacturing. Previous video series we discussed what is generally additive manufacturing, what are all the advantages and disadvantages of additive manufacturing, what are all the application of additive manufacturing. Few case studies we discussed about the additive manufacturing and why the material you can save by using additive manufacturing, how the generative model is developed with the help of additive manufacturing. These are all the things we already discussed in previous series. In this series we are going to discuss about almost three important technology in aligned with additive manufacturing, like haptics, CAE and reverse engineering. Why the additive manufacturing is in aligned with reverse engineering, we are going to discuss now. The primary input of additive manufacturing is CAD file model. The CAD was not used in original design. There is inadequate document on original design. The original CAD model is not sufficient to support the modification of manufacturing using the modern method. The original supply is unable to continue to provide the additional model. These are the why we are going for reverse engineering. These are the things we have discussed in this series. Next, first we are going to see about the process behind the reverse engineering. First, we want to digitalize the parts is the first and foremost thing. This step uses the reverse engineering step to collect the raw geometry of the object. The data is usually in the form of coordinate points of the object related to the local coordinates. Next one is building a CAD model. This step converts the raw material data obtained from step into usable formats. Next thing, these are the examples. These are the general integration of the AM machines. These are the basically why the reverse engineering are involved with the additive manufacturing means. For example, mostly the additive manufacturing products are used as a spare parts. In day-to-day application, few parts are not available in our markets. So, any engineer can measure the geometry of the real component. Without the single stage process, we can convert our real CAD model into product. So mostly the reverse engineering application of our additive manufacturing is majorly used for the application of spare parts. Next, you already well know about the engineering materials. All engineers should know about engineering materials. Now, in recent scenario, what are the materials to print with the help of 3D printer means? As like engineering materials, we have a number of materials for additive manufacturing process. First thing, polymers. Polymer type material we can print by the help of 3D printers. Metals, ceramics, and composites. Polymers is one type of mostly plastic. That we have a number of categories like ABS polymers, acrylics, cellulose, nylon, polycarbonate, thermoplastic polyester, polyethylene, polypropylene, polyvinyl chloride, etc. Here, in subtractum process for material selection, the first and foremost three steps are cost, manufacturability, safety and availability. Here, while selecting the additive manufacturing component, first you should know about the thermal properties of additive manufacturing. What is the viscosity? What are the thermal expansion? What is the melting point of the material? What is the threshold limit of the corresponding material? And all those things you should thorough. Then only you will select the proper material for proper application. For example, laser additive manufacturing of metallic components is classified into partial melting of the powder and complete melting of the powder. In powder melting of the powder is classified into laser sintering and pre-spreading of the powder before laser scanning. Next, it can be categorized into multi-components, metal alloy powder, example MMC. Composite melting of powder we can do by three processes: laser melting and laser metal deposition. In laser melting process, the pre-sprayed of powder before laser scanning, the coaxial powder forming with synchronous laser scanning. Here we have classified into three categories: metal powder, acrylic powder, and exclusive and insensitive. First, you should know the basic thermal properties, then only you can choose the process as well as the material of additive manufacturing. Thank you.